This is our second exercise. So I am going to do it. Let's see. Select top plane. Click on sketch. Go here and select normal. Now go here and select rectangle. Make sure you have selected corner rectangle. Now change dimension. It is 70 mm. Now it is 40 mm. And now select fillet. Apply 10 mm fillet on both corner. Click on OK. Now you can see this is our object and the circle diameter is 20 and distance from baseline to center 50 mm. So first I am going to draw a circle. So select circle and draw a circle. Now change dimension from here to here, it is 50 mm. Now change diameter, it is 20 mm. To make sure, select this point, make it horizontal. Click on OK. Now what next step is, it is showing a material okay. So I am going to draw this shape only, not this one, only this one. Okay, so go here and draw from here to here to here and now connect it. Okay, now check dimension. So this is 20 and the gap is 30 minus 20 equal to 10 mm. Now 10 mm and it is also 10 mm. So I am going to change dimension from here to here, it is 10 mm. Now from here to here, it is also 10 mm. From here to here, it is 30 mm. Okay, now exit from sketch. Go here and hide annotation. This is your sketch. So select sketch, click on extrude, boss or base. First check material height 20 mm. So I am going to extrude it 20 mm. Select all contour and type 20 mm. You can skip also this one, you can skip. Click on OK. Now expand it and select sketch. Go here and click on extrude. Select this contour and type how much? 40. Okay. You can see now we need to draw this one. So you can see first select this face, click on sketch, press space bar, make it normal. Select a line, draw from here to here and also connect here. Close it from here to here and now extrude it up to 10 mm in reverse direction. Click on OK. Now press space bar and you can see this is our final object. Thank you for watching.